So, it's Cynthia, and I'm out in nature. And I'm actually hanging out. I just actually got one of those little boats over there, and it's just you and I. No one with me. It's actually the first time that I've been out on the water by myself. So, I'm excited about the adventure. Looks like I can go over there. I see some people over there. It just looks so beautiful. I figured I'd take you along on my journey. It's a nice little pier over there. People walking all around. And I'm riding solo. It's just me. Just me. Hanging out. So it's pretty cool. Especially for a person that hasn't learned how to swim yet, to be by myself. But I have to always remember, even when I'm by myself, I'm not. I'm never by myself. I'm never by myself. Even when I'm alone, I'm never by myself. So it's a good thing. It's a beautiful pier over there. And I'm just steering. I'm using this little, like a bike, steer. Just steering from left to right, which is pretty easy. We're just rolling on along. Wow, such a beautiful day. It's nice because it's like a little exercise, something a little different, which is cool. Really amazing. See some people over there on the pier, hanging out, fishing. I'm at Piney Run State Park today, and this is actually the first time I've been here. It's pretty nice, you know, it's a really nice park to come to. It's a local park. Unlike most parks that I've come to, this one is actually $10 to get in, and you actually just have like a little $20 fee that they hold while you're out with the boats. They want to make sure you bring the boats back. And so they hold your driver's license, and they hold your form of payment. So make sure you have cash, because if not, you come here, they'll hold your credit card till you get back. But it's a beautiful day. I just wanted to take you guys along on a journey. I know sometimes my videos are short and to the point, which is always nice. I love that about it. But for some reason today, I just wanted to take you guys on a journey. See people all the way over there. Let me just zoom in. See people there. And it's more people over there. I think we'll eventually wind up over there on the other side of the land. But just hanging out. I told the gentleman I haven't learned how to swim yet. And he says, just don't jump out. I said, I don't plan to. But God forbid, the only thing that can happen is I just get in the water. That's it. And I have a life jacket on. And it's nice. I'm actually on my way over there. You can see it's another blue boat over there. So I'm just hanging out. It's nice because you can go all the way over there. It's so nice over there. It's like a little area over there where you could go to. So everything's looking good. I'm just moving all around. Let me actually turn around and give you like a view of where I came from. Right over there is where I came from. Right over there. That's the boathouse. Where I came from. So, and the pier that I came from. So, it's pretty cool. It's a beautiful day today. I don't really see anything in the water. But it looks beautiful though. I don't really see any birds flying today. It's a pretty quiet day. A couple of beautiful clouds in the sky. But actually, if I look ahead, I see some people canoeing up there, all the way going around that corner there. I actually wanted to have a canoe, but the gentleman recommended, since I was by myself, that this would be more appropriate for me. And since I haven't learned how to swim yet, he thought that this would be the best option. So sometimes in life, you want to be adventurous. If someone says this is your best option and they know better, they're the professionals, just go with it. Just go with it. This is a great workout. I wanted to make sure that I had a good workout today. I'm actually going to go up in these woods later when I get off. Do a nice little hike, see if there's any gratitude rocks here on this body of water. It's nice to see so many people out in nature. Loving nature. That's what I love. Finding love in nature. I've come to find that if you open up to nature, nature will definitely open up to you. And so I plan to go over there, where I was showing you before. But right now, I want to go far and wide. I'm going all the way over there. And just using this as my little handle to guide me along the way. And if I look in front of me, if I zoom in, there's some kayakers. They're really far away, but you see them. That's what I wanted to do today. But I'll be back. They said it's best to come be on there with a second person, so I totally understand. This is easier to maneuver by myself today, and I'm pleased with that. It's a great workout for your legs, your calves. It's like basically like riding a bike. I'm sure many of you have been on one before, but it's just nice to just be out and just hang out, enjoy. I'm thinking about how funny the guy was, and I said, I haven't learned how to swim yet. He says, you'll be okay, just don't jump out. I said, I don't plan on jumping out. It's not in my plans. But it's just like life. New adventures, new opportunities. You release the fear and you keep moving. Sometimes you have to try new things in life. Sometimes you have to try new things on your own. And you can't let fear stop you. And there's it, like he was saying, the two people. It's best to have two people on the canoe. Good morning. How are you? Fantastic. You ladies are doing good over there. Enjoy your day. Thank you. So, this is where we are. Peace and serenity. Serenity and peace. I'm just gonna stop for a minute and just be. So beautiful to see the water just ripple. It's so beautiful. I don't see anything in the water. I saw little seaweeds up earlier when I first got on. But sometimes it's just nice to just take it all in, you know? Sounds like they're doing some work in the background. Maybe cutting a tree or doing some kind of landscaping with a tree. I saw. But just like I said, it's similar to life. You don't let life's things distract you in life. Things will always come up, but you have to stay on course. That's what life's all about. Facing fears and releasing fears and just trusting. Just trusting that everything is okay. Just trusting that everything is okay. There's another kayaker over there. And they must be pretty experienced because they're by themselves, which is pretty cool. Very nice. I love it. And they're still over there. That couple, they're still there, hanging out. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. It's pretty cool, right? Loving nature. Opening up to nature. And allowing nature to open up to you. Still just using this little thing to go back and forward. I think my nail polish is almost the color of this boat. Teal is one of my favorite colors. Actually, I have so many colors. I think every color is beautiful, to be honest, but teal is one of my favorite colors because I love white. You know how much I love green. I love blue, skies, blue waters. I love the trees. I love all of nature. Opening up to nature. And nature is definitely opening up to me. Love in nature. So, just look up, see a beautiful cloud right there. Beautiful clouds, see the sun shining through. Beautiful, right overhead. I see a helicopter up there. It's amazing what you see when you're just still. Yep. And he's going over the trees. This is definitely like facing my fears today. And acknowledging them and releasing them. And he's gone. Really acknowledging your fears and then releasing them, you know? Oh, it's so beautiful out. Incredible. I guess I will go actually make a turn now. I'm gonna make a turn. It's on a bike, just make a turn. And I actually want to go over that way. You see those people coming? I want to go that way. Back the way I came. I came back from. Let's see if I can find it. Way over there. Way over. And watch when I zoom out, you'll see how far I've come. Wow, that's amazeballs. Oh my gosh. And I'm so out here by myself. I'm alone, but I'm not by myself. Or that I'm by myself, but I'm not. It's better. I'm by myself, but I'm not alone. I like that better. I'm by myself, but I'm not alone. That better describes it. I'm by myself, but I'm not alone. Wow, so far out. Far out, far out. Yep, it's the view. All around, all around. Just hanging out. Alright, I want to get over. Alrighty, I'm trying to turn it. There we go. Great exercise. Great exercise. Now we're heading where we need to be. We're rolling on along. I guess the deeper the water, I guess we're going a little slower. Maybe the water's pretty deep out here, which is cool. Which is pretty cool. I have my life jacket on. And if you know me, you know I'm always calling 1-800-JESUS. 1-800-JESUS. I'll have to call. If I need him, I will definitely call him. I can't wait till I get up in those trees and go all around and see what's back there. See if there's any beautiful, lovely gratitude rocks back there. Any rocks that inspire me. And they're actually leaving right now. Let me zoom in on them. They're leaving, going back to where we came from. They were actually right where we're going. Right over there. That's where we're going. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Super cool. You zoom in where we're going. Super cool. You can get off, have a little picnic, have a bite to eat over there. Super cool. Beautiful. You know me, I'm checking out the trees. That tree looks a little distressed there, but everything is good. That breeze feels so good. All the wind is coming right for us. It feels incredible. I'm sure it's a trail back there somewhere. Or maybe that side, or that side, or that side. I'm sure it's a trail over there where you could clearly get off, but I'm not going to get off today. I'm going to use wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Let me just turn this way. This air is just like going so amazing. Oh, let's look down. I see like seaweeds and stuff. I see like little seaweeds. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty cool. Some grass, seaweeds down there. It's super, super duper cool. See it all down there. It's amazing. So much. It's like grass growing. Let me zoom in, see if you can see it. I hope you can see it. But it's super cool. It's super duper cool. Now we're headed over. Headed over there where the little boathouse is. It's so beautiful. Great exercise today. Like I said, this is the first time I've come out here to Piney Run Park. It's so beautiful. Looks like I can see people all the way over there. I can see people all the way over there. Right there. They're way over. They're like way, way, way over. And now, that's our destination. Oh, this breeze feels so good. Turn behind me. You can see the back. How beautiful. With God, I move and breathe and have my being. With God, I move and breathe and have my being. With God, I move and breathe and have my being. That's where I'm going. Over there. That's where I'm on my way to the boathouse. Well, I love water. I've always believed that one day I'll get an opportunity to actually live on the water. I'll take the mosquitoes, I'll take all of that to like go outside my back door, have lunch on my back deck, walk down to the pier, get on a jet ski, get on our boat, our wave runner, and just hit the water. That's definitely a positive affirmation. And not like a longing, like a longing kind of a feeling, but more like an exciting feeling, like one day. Dreams, I know dreams can happen. And to live on the water, have a beautiful gazebo, have my own little tranquil room, or I call it a sacred room. Some people call it a Zen den. Whatever you call it, just to go and just be still and close out the rest of the world. Yeah. Have a little tranquil room. My little sacred place. And have like a business office where I take care of all my business. And to have a space for creativity. Oh my gosh. Creativity, oy oy oy. I'm always trying to create something. I'm always trying to like take a basket of like, you know, something to somebody's house, or I'm always trying to think about like, you know, it's just who I am. I'll never give a gift without making my own bow on top, or, you know, just cool stuff. Just being myself. Just being my own self. Using my creative energy. I love to create baskets. I love to make jewelry. That's just who I am. I like to, you know, we would have get-togethers all the time, and I would make sure everything is together, like all the decor, all the decorations, that we have everything we need, that everything is there, you know, making sure everything has a color scheme, everything, and I love it. And it's weird because like right now I'm on like an adventure where I'm doing things on a wide scale with like helping people, helping the indigent. Some people call them homeless. I call them hopeful. I always have to find a better word. But helping the indigent, that's like the needy, people that are in need, the hopeful people, helping them. And it's weird because sometimes I get so anxious and I'm like, God, how can, you know, I like be able to feed 200-300 people in a day? And he always reminds me, me and my husband, we used to do it every single weekend for 100-200 people, sometimes more, every weekend at our house. So he always reminds me, are you kidding me? You did this every week. Sometimes 2-3 times a week. So he always reminds me that he has me. And the blessed thing is that sometimes I've always felt like in my life I've been grateful, because it's not a bad thing. I've been grateful to always be behind the scenes, helping other people look good. But God has truly been putting people behind the scenes, helping me to look good, and or helping me on my endeavors, and it feels good. And it's nice to be in a place where I felt like, I'm okay, God. If you want me behind the scenes, you know, I'm okay with that. But it's nice to know He has people behind the scenes helping me too, you know. Just super duper cool. Alright, we're coming up on the pier. Don't hit the pier. And if you do, it is what it is. Life goes on. So I'm hoping the really nice guy's going to come help me get out. Yay, he's coming. He's coming down to help me. Yay. John is his name. John, I did so well. And I wasn't afraid. And I didn't jump. You told me don't jump out. I did not jump out. Woo! Yes. Alrighty. I'll talk to you soon. Love and nature.